Two beer experiences in Japan, one in the city, one surrounded by nature. Today I visited the Asahi Beer Museum in Osaka and the Kirin Brewery Kobe in Sanda. Same drink, very different feelings. Let me show you why. This is the Asahi Beer Museum in Osaka. The moment you walk in, everything feels clean and precise. Straight lines, bright lighting, clear explanations. Every step of the brewing process is carefully displayed. Here, beer feels like engineering, measured, controlled, efficient. This place reflects the city itself. Osaka moves fast, and so does this museum. Even the tour follows a clear rhythm, guiding you from raw ingredients to finished beer. At the end of the visit, you arrive at the tasting room. gold glasses. Perfect form. The taste is crisp, refreshing, and very familiar. It feels like a beer made from everyday life in the city. After Osaka, I leave the city behind. The train moves farther and farther away. From tall buildings and busy streets, the scenery slowly changes. More trees, more open space. Everything becomes quieter. This is the Kirin Brewery in Sanda. Here, the atmosphere is completely different. The brewery is surrounded by nature, green hills, fresh air. The pace immediately slows down. Walking through the grounds, you don't feel rushed. The sounds are softer: wind, footsteps, distant voices. Inside, the brewing process feels less like a factory and more like a craft. When it's time to taste the beer, people sit down, they take their time. The beer feels gentler, smoother, calmer. It's not just about flavor anymore, it's about the setting. These two places make the same drink, but they tell very different stories. In the city, beer feels efficient and energetic. In the countryside, beer feels slow and relaxing. It made me realize something. Beer is not just about taste. It's about where you drink it and how you experience it. From Osaka's city energy to Sanda's quiet landscapes, this was a day of contrast. Same country, same drink, different moods. Thanks for walking with me today. See you next one.